Chapter number 8, our skeletal system and the skin. Human skeleton is made up of bones. Fracture. Let's see what is fracture. Sometime when we fall while playing or have an accident, a bone in our arm or leg may get broken. This is called fracture of bone. Understood, student? So when we fall down, what happens? Sometimes the bone get break, and that could be identified with the help of X-ray. You can see in the picture I have given X-ray also, and you can see how the bone is broken. So how does the doctor treat such patient? By means of fracture. You can see this plaster has been put down on the leg as well as on the hand. Yes, in order to join the bone. Yes, so that is a fracture. A fracture in a bone causes severe or unbearable pain, and the part with the broken bone swell immediately. Okay, what happened? The part it gets swell. Swell मतलब सूजन हो जाना. जहाँ पे फ्रैक्चर होता है वो भाग क्या होता है? सूज जाता है. Okay, that is swelling. Now next we are going to see about X-ray. Students, do you know who has discovered this X-ray? Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen. Type of bones. Bones of our body are classified into 4 types: flat bones, small bones, irregular bones, and long bones. Let's see the human skeletal system. So students, what is human skeletal system? Yes, that is a framework. Yes students, this is a framework which is said to be a skeletal system. All the bones in our body are not of same shape. Every bone is different. All the bones together form a framework called a skeleton. The skeleton gives a shape to the body. All the bones of the body along with cartilage together form a skeletal system. Bones are hard. They are not flexible. Bones are composed of 2 main constituents. Bone cells are biotic, while calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, minerals and salt are abiotic constituent of bone. Calcium impart strength to the bone. So students, from where you can get the calcium? By drinking milk. So milk is the essential factor of your food. The system which gives a definite shape to the body provides support and protect the delicate organ inside the body is the skeletal system. What is skeletal system? It is a system which gives definite shape to the body. Yes, imagine this skeletal system is not there. Then how your muscles will attach? Where it will attach? It is not possible to form body, right? So this skeletal system is must, which give definite shape to the body, provide support and protect the delicate organ inside the body. The delicate organ, which are those? Heart, lungs, kidney, etc. These are the delicate organs. Along with the brain is also a delicate organ. So these delicate organs are supported by this skeletal system. Okay. Next, we will see The human skeletal system can be divided into two parts: axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Okay, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. What is axial skeleton? It consists of the skull, spine and rib. Students, skull, spine and rib. This is your skull. This is your rib. You see the diagram here. This is the rib and this is the spine. Okay, this is spine. So this is all together called as axial skeletal system. Okay, now these are situated symmetrically along the central vertical axis of the body. Next, see appendicular skeletal. What it is, students? Appendicular skeleton is made up of bones of upper and lower limbs on either side of central axis. So, which are those you can imagine? Yes, the bones of your hands and leg, that is arms and leg. Okay. The axial skeleton, skull. The skull is formed by the bones of the head and face. The bones of the skull are flat and strong. There are altogether 22 bones in the skull, 8 in head and 14 in the face, except for the lower jaw. None of the bones of the skull can move. Which organ of our body does the skull protect? Students, everybody know it protects our brain. Then come to the part of rib. Feel the left and right side of your chest with your hand or finger. How many bones can you feel altogether in the two sides? Check in the center. How many bones do you feel? Yes, the cage-like structure in the chest is called rib. In the chest, there is one vertical flat bone called a sternum. Okay, so where is sternum? You can see here in the middle. One flat bone is there, which is said to be a sternum. 12 pairs of flat bone. 12 pairs of flat bone. How many? 12 pairs. They are called as, they are not called 12 pairs of fat bone called ribs are joined to its sideway. These 25 bones form a rib cage. It is joined to the spine at the back. Now let's see spine bone, that is spinal cord or a vertebral column. Okay, so this is your vertebral column or spinal cord. The spine is formed by a padlock shaped bone placed straight one above the other. There are altogether 33 bones in the spine, each called vertebra. What it is called? Vertebra. These bones are arranged one above the other flexibly. The spine protects the spinal cord that originate from brain. Okay, the cord which originate from brain, it is well protected by the vertebral column. Let's see appendicular skeleton. The human body has 2 arms and 2 legs. The different parts of arms and legs have several bones which are connected together by joints. There are 3 bones in each of the ear. 3 bones. Stirrup is the smallest bone in our body. You can see where the stirrup is. Okay. It is as small as a grain of a rice and is hollow. Its shape is like that of stirrup. In human body, the longest and the strongest bone is the thigh or a femur. Joint. Joints are the place where 2 or more bones are connected to each other. Okay. Joints are of 2 types. Movable joint, immovable joint. Movable joint, bones can move. For example, arms and legs. And immovable, bones can't move. Yeah, they are not able to move. For example, bones of skull. Types of joints. Hinge joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint. So students, hinge joint, it makes the movement of brain only in one direction. सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन में मूवमेंट होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर एल्बो एंड नी. ठीक है, आप हाथ को एक ही डायरेक्शन में मोड़ सकते हो. आप अपोजिटली मोड़ने जाओगे तो हड्डी टूट जाएगी. बराबर. नी का भी वैसे ही है, एक ही डायरेक्शन में मूव होता है, उल्टे डायरेक्शन में नहीं. सो सच टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट्स आर हिंज जॉइंट. ओके, सी हियर, दिस इज हिंज जॉइंट which can move only in one direction. Next, ball and socket joint. This is bone can move in 2 or more direction, that is in a 360-degree angle, that is shoulder and hip joint. They can move. Next, gliding joint. Where can you find this? Bones can only slide over each other like wrist and ankle joint. So this is your gliding joint, you can see, and this is your ball and socket joint. The skin. The skin is an important and large organ of all living things. The skin has hair. There are nails on the skin at the tip of the finger and toes. The skin gives us the sense of touch. The skin gives us the sense of touch. The skin is an important sensory organ of the body. So students, the outer covering of the body is called as skin. Let's see the structure of skin. You can see the structure of skin over here. The upper layer is epidermis. Layer below epidermis is dermis. And then you will get subcutaneous. Okay. Now see. Structure of skin. Human skin is made up of 2 layers. Outer layer is called as epidermis and lower layer is called dermis. Below the dermis there are network of blood vessels and nerve vessel. Okay, and subcutaneous layer under this network maintain normal body temperature. The epidermis has various layers. A pigment called melanin is present in the cell of epidermis. The melanin is synthesized in certain gland in the cell. The percentage of melanin decides the fairness and darkness of the skin. The color of the skin depends upon the climate. Melanin protects our skin and the inner part of ultraviolet sun rays and inner part from ultraviolet sun rays. I repeat, and the inner part from ultraviolet sun rays. When we walk or play in sun, we get tired, but at the same time our skin become wet. Yes, भीग जाता है ना skin. Why? Because of sweat, that is pasina. Okay, so in the skin there are glands which secrete sweat. They are sweat glands. Sweat glands are the glands which secrete sweat. After playing in hot sun or after hard work, the temperature of the body rises. Then sweat is released. Due to this, the temperature of the body is reduced. Our body temperature usually remain constant at approximately 37 degrees Celsius. Let's see functions of skin. Protecting the inner part of the body like muscles, bones, organ system, etc. It helps to preserve the moisture in the body. Synthesizing विटामिन डी. विटामिन डी का निर्माण भी स्किन में ही होता है. Which is essential for bones, right? Then releasing sweat to regulate the body temperature, giving protection from heat and cold. The skin function as a sensory organ of touch. Observe your skin and skin of your grandmother and grandfather. What will you see, students? As we grow older, the proportion of fats beneath the skin reduces. Fats कम हो जाता है, जिसके कारण टॉट हो जाती है, स्किन श्रिंक हो जाती है. ओके, सो द प्रीवियसली टॉट स्किन डज नॉट श्रिंक. ओके, इट डज नॉट श्रिंक. स्किन जो फैली हुई है वो श्रिंक नहीं हो सकती फिर से. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दिस कॉजेज wrinkles ऑन द स्किन ऑफ ओल्डर पीपल्स. It is melanin that determines the color of our skin. Jet black color is due to pure melanin, while brown lighter hair is due to sulfur in the melanin. Red hair due to iron in the melanin. Understood, students? So, difference of color of hair on the skin is due to these factors. Next, what we have to remember in case of skin. For the health of our skin, it is important to keep it clean. Discriminating between peoples based on their skin color is unscientific and wrong. Avoid tempting or avoid the temptation of using artificial means of to become fair. ठीक है, तो ये natural है skin color. So students, skin color is natural. Do you agree with this? If you apply different cosmetic on your skin, what will happen? Yes, it will produce rashes on the skin. If that cosmetic product is not helpful, allergic to your skin, then it would result bad. Okay, so as far as possible, avoid such product to become fair. Let's revise the lesson. All the bones in the body along with the cartilage together form a skeletal system. The skeletal system gives shape and support to the body. Outer covering of the body is called the skin. The skeletal system and the skin perform important function of protecting the body and internal body parts. We must take care of our skeletal system and skin. The skull, the rib, the cage, the backbone and the bones of the arms and legs are main part of human skeletal system. Epidermis and dermis are the two main layers of human skin. So students, with this I am finishing the topic of our skeletal system. Let's go with our exercise.